Hello kids, today we are going to write 1 to 10. Let's start. Orange color 1, purple color 2, red color 3, green color 4, blue color 5, yellow color 6, sky blue color 7, brown color 8, black color 9, pink color 1 and 0, 10. So let's write again. Purple color 1, red color 2, green color 3, blue color 4, sky blue color 5, orange color 6, pink color 7, brown color 8, yellow color 9, last one black color 1 and 0, 10. So kids, bye bye, see you in the next video.